The Silent Promise. Chapter 1. The Man Who Had Everything. My name is Daniel Moore. I am 34 years old. People say I am successful. I own a growing business. I live in a large house. I drive an expensive car. People greet me with respect. They believe I have no problems in life. But they are wrong. Money filled my bank accounts, not my heart. Success filled my schedule, not my soul. Every night I came home to silence. The walls were quiet. The rooms were cold. I ate alone. I slept alone. I watched the ceiling and asked myself one question again and again. Is this all life has for me? I did not want a woman who loved my money. I did not want a woman who loved my name. I wanted a woman who could sit beside me when I failed, when I was weak, when I was tired. Then I met Maya. She was 26 years old. She worked in a small bookstore. She spoke softly. She smiled rarely, but when she did, it stayed in my heart. Her eyes looked calm, but deep inside them lived sadness. The first time I spoke to her, she listened. She did not rush. She did not pretend. I felt something I had not felt in years: hope. I spoke to her parents. They said, "Daniel, you are a good man. You can protect our daughter. You can give her a stable life." Maya stayed silent. She did not say yes. She did not say no. I believed her silence meant trust. I was wrong. Chapter 2. A Wedding Without Joy. The wedding day came. Lights shone everywhere. Guests smiled. People whispered, "They look perfect together." I smiled too. But when I looked at Maya, my heart paused. She was beautiful, but her eyes were not happy. They looked like eyes saying goodbye, not hello. I told myself, she is nervous. All brides feel this way. After the wedding, I tried my best. I bought her gifts. I spoke gently. I told her, "You are safe with me. I will never hurt you." She smiled politely. At night, she turned away from me. She held her phone close. Sometimes I heard her crying quietly. I asked once, "Are you happy?" She answered, "Yes." Her lips said yes. Her eyes said no. Chapter 3. The Distance Between Us. Days passed. Weeks passed. Maya lived in my house, but not in my life. She avoided long conversations. She avoided eye contact. She avoided touch. Sometimes she left the house suddenly. Sometimes she returned with red eyes. I told myself, give her time. But time only made the distance larger. One night, I heard her whisper on the phone, "I miss you." My heart stopped. When she saw me, she ended the call quickly. "It's just a friend," she said. I nodded, but something inside me broke. Chapter 4. The Name I Was Afraid to Hear. I followed her one evening. I never thought I would do that, but pain makes people do things they never imagined. I saw her meet a man. She smiled at him. She never smiled like that with me. His name was Ryan. Later, the truth came out slowly, painfully. They had loved each other for years. He was her first love. Her parents never accepted him. She married me for security, not for love. That truth crushed me. Chapter 5. Love That Hurts. I asked her, "Do you love him?" She said nothing. Silence was the answer. I asked again, "Do you want this marriage?" She whispered, "I don't know." That night, I cried alone. I had built businesses, I had solved problems, but I could not make my wife love me. Chapter 6. The Breaking Point. She continued meeting him. He promised nothing. He demanded everything. One night, my chest hurt badly. I collapsed. When I woke up in the hospital, Maya was there, crying. For the first time, her tears were for me. I told her weakly, "Love without honesty will kill me." She said, "I am lost." Chapter 7. The Truth Revealed. I heard Ryan's words myself. He said, "Leave him first, then we'll see." He did not love her. He only wanted control. That night, Maya finally saw the truth. She came home shaking. "He never wanted me," she cried. "He only wanted to take me from you." Chapter 8. A choice must be made. She knelt in front of me. "I was wrong," she said. "I hurt you. Please give me one chance." I answered honestly, "I still love you, but love alone is not enough. You must prove your truth." Chapter 9. Actions, not words. She blocked him. She deleted everything. She stayed. Days turned to months. She changed not with words, but with actions. She listened. She cared. She stayed. Trust returned slowly, like light after a long night. One night she said, "I thought love was passion. Now I know love is staying." I held her hand. We were not perfect, but we were honest, and honesty saved us. Epilogue. This is not a story about money, not a story about betrayal alone. It is a story about choice. Love is not who you feel for. Love is who you choose every day. The end.